Hi everyone, my name is Erica Lifestyle here, and today's vlog it's another unboxing and a collaboration, and also we're gonna review with this Gugugo colorful mushroom goddess vase. So yeah, stay tuned with me and bear with me because we're gonna do an unboxing, and yeah, so let's see and check it out and how it looks like inside and how it looks like this kind of colorful mushroom goddess vase. So yeah, stay tuned with me and let's start, or let's keep the bill rolling right now to open this Gugugo colorful mushroom goddess vase. Okay, there you go. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and yes, stay safe here. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh wow! So this Gugugo. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, I also love it. And this is the front, and this is the back, and this is the design right here. Is mushroom. It's pretty interesting. This is kind of special to me because they really picked me to choose me as one of their brand ambassador for this product from Amazon. So thank you Gugugo for this colorful mushroom goddess vase. So yeah, the brand is Gugugo. So yeah, this is the vase, and I have some flowers here. So let's put the box right there. There you go. And I have some flowers since I love sunflower. So springy vibes, you know. So this is how it looks like right here. So it looks good. So yeah, looking good. And yeah, so this is like perfect for your home decoration. And yeah, so look at that. I super love it. So yeah, it has a letter here. Thank you. So you can check it out on Amazon, and for those who have Amazon, you know, who love to shop around in Amazon, you can find them guys in Amazon. So it's not that expensive. So they have different or varieties of colors for this kind of vase, but I choose this yellow one because one of my favorite color is yellow. So that's why I'm wearing yellow, and I have some sunflower in my earrings, because since sunflower is like really, I'm obsessed with sunflowers, or yeah, something yellow. So yeah, it's Gugugo Home Decor, find as brand store. So Gugugo. So you can, don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link down below in my description so that you guys, if you are interested with this kind of vase, you can check it out, or you know, place your order in this Gugugo mushroom flower vase. So yeah, it has yellow, and it has green, pink, and it has white as well, and purple. So yeah, Hello, we are the colorful planters and vases from Gugugo's family. Thank you for supporting our small business with your purchase. This is, they give this for free for me because I am promoting, and also I am collaborating with them, so thank you. And please be aware that it is the fine details achieved through hand painting. So this one is hand painted, that make each of our pieces truly unique. So yeah, that's why I'll super love it, because it's truly unique and one of a kind vase. So super love it. So yeah, additionally, our cost is double that of simple basic planters and vase due to the intricate 3D design and striking hand painting required to create them. So yeah, so you can check it out and how much it costs, but I'm pretty sure it's very affordable for you to grab one like this. So yeah, if you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. We hope to welcome you back to our shop soon. So what are you waiting, guys? So shop around, go to Amazon, and I'm gonna put the link in my description, and find out and place one of these vases. If you like yellow, green, pink, white, and purple, so choose the best color that you want. So find it out and check it out. So it's pretty cool and unique design. So yeah, and what else? Yeah, this is very I get what I call this one. I was impressed from how it looks like. So they have, I think this one, this size is like 7 inches. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 7 inches. So it's pretty big. And what else? So yeah, this is perfect for your home decor. And let's see what's inside. I love their box also. So yeah, once again, this is very intricate design that makes it so double the price from any you know, like planter vase, because of its 3D intricate design. It's also hand painted as well, so pretty cool. Love it. See how it looks like, and it looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link on my description for you guys. You can check it out and how it looks like. So yeah, it's faced that way, and yeah, it has like mushroom design. It has mushroom design right here, and it's like sexy. This is the back part, of course. So this is the front one, and you can just do it that way, or it's up to you. You can do it that way. So yeah, super love it. And or you can, you know, choose that way. Looks good, or you know, whatever position of the vase that it looks like. With that one, it shows the curvy design of the vase. And yeah, this is really perfect for your interior design, you know, or like or home decor. Yeah, so super love it. And it's so yeah, they have also different kind. They have this one, this version, it's called Mushroom Lady series vases. They have also Rainbow Head series vase, pretty cool. And also they have Girl series bookends vases, that one. And the third And what they gave me is the Mushroom Lady series vases, and also they have different kind Watering Lady series. So this one, nice. So the name, once again, the name of their products is Gugugo. So that's pretty catchy brand, and I super love this Gugugo mushroom vase. Super love it. So yeah, and if you guys would love to, you know, what are you waiting for? You know, grab and place your order, and you should grab, you know, one of their pieces, because it's like, it's pretty unique, and also very, you know, the design is very intricate. You know, could you imagine? It's hand painted as well. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Closer, see, right there, and the front one, and I love it. So it's, what do I call this one, yeah, 7 inches. So yeah, thank you so much, and thank you so much Gugugo for this colorful mushroom goddess vase. So yeah, I would consider myself as a goddess, so this is perfect for me. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and all my subscribers and fans out there. Don't forget to hit like, comments, and share. And yeah, grab one of your one of the pieces from Gugugo, and yeah, check it out and grab what are you waiting for. So yeah. And once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe